What is OneSearch? OneSearch is the library's all-in-one search tool provided by CUNY. It allows for the simultaneous search of multiple searchable resources. In other words, OneSearch lets you search for almost everything the library has available to you. You should use OneSearch if you are looking for a specific title, whether an article or a book, want a combination of books, articles, ebooks, etc. on a topic, or you're just starting off your research. Please note that OneSearch doesn't find all articles available to you. For better results, we encourage you to use the library's databases. Here is an example of a search for social media addiction. This search results in over 57,000 articles and more. A quick look at the results and you can see some articles and books as well as many other types of resources. To narrow this down to only peer-reviewed articles, under availability, change peer-reviewed journals. Under resource type, change it to articles. And for a search of only articles within the past 10 years, change this to 2008. Then click Apply Filters. This narrows your search down to over 28,000 results as opposed to the over 57,000 we saw before. This area here, you can cite your source, you can email the source to yourself, and you can also pin it, which does require you to be logged into OneSearch to do. If you click on the citation option, you can copy and paste your citation into your bibliography. To access the article, you need to click on Full Text Available, and you will be brought to a page where you have access to the article. Here you can download it as a PDF or export it. For a more focused search, we encourage you to use the Advanced Search option, where you can add additional keywords. The more keywords that you add, the more focused your search will be.